Gold IRA fees aren't mysterious. Most costs fall into a few predictable buckets. A typical gold IRA cost has two layers: IRA account fees you pay in dollars, and metal costs you pay in percentages. Most providers charge a one-time setup fee, often about $50 to $300, then ongoing storage around $100 to $300, and a custodian fee roughly $75 to $300. That's how you get to a common annual total of about $175 to $600. Then the dealer premium, often 1% to 8%, plus a 1% to 3% bid-ask spread, affects your entry and exit price. If you want to compare providers quickly, add up the open, hold, and close costs in one simple picture. Opening usually means a $50 to $300 setup fee. Then you'll see a custodian charge around $75 to $300 and storage of about $100 to $300 per year, which is why $11 to $600 is a normal annual range. On the metal side, many investors effectively pay a 2% to 6% dealer spread. And don't forget the closure fee, often $50 to $100 when you exit or move accounts. The biggest fee surprises usually come from how metals are priced, not the custodian paperwork. Coins commonly carry higher dealer premiums than bars, largely because coins have higher retail demand and minting distribution costs. The bid-ask spread matters because you feel it twice, once when you buy and again when you sell. On the IRA side, watch for custodians that charge percent-based fees, because one of a larger balance can quietly beat a flat fee. Flat annual fees are easier to predict, and even closing fees are basically paid exit paperwork. You can't eliminate gold IRA fees, but you can control the biggest drivers with a few choices. Flat annual fees usually beat percent fees once your account grows, and commingled storage is typically cheaper than segregated storage if you don't need your exact serial numbered bars. Bars often come with lower premiums than coins, which can save you real money up front. Fewer trades also means you pay the bid-ask spread fewer times. Always ask for the full fee schedule and use a direct rollover transfer to avoid unnecessary taxes and penalties. A clean gold IRA decision comes down to confirming the numbers before you sign anything. Get every fee in writing and push for flat annual fees so your costs don't rise just because your account value does. Confirm the storage type. Commingled versus segregated, so you're not paying extra by default. Ask for the real bid-ask spread on the exact products you're considering, not a generic estimate, and get clear buyback terms in advance. Finally, verify the setup uses an IRS-approved custodian and depository, or it's not a real gold IRA. For many investors, the typical annual gold IRA cost lands around $175 to $600 before metal premiums and spreads. The smart investor matches you based on your investment size and goals, then shows the real dollar cost difference between providers over time. Free, takes about 3 minutes, and the link's in the description.